Today, we're taking an in-depth look at Convert a PDF, an online platform designed to make converting, editing, and merging PDFs a breeze. As soon as you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean and straightforward interface. Everything is neatly organized, with the main tools clearly displayed for quick access. The site's purpose is clear: to help you transform your PDF files into various formats or combine multiple files into one with minimal effort. The conversion process is quite simple. You start by uploading your PDF file, either by dragging and dropping it into the designated area or by using the Upload button. Once the file is uploaded, you can choose from a variety of output formats like Word, Excel, JPG, and more. The site even offers editing tools to modify your PDFs directly. You can add or remove text, adjust images, and even annotate your files before downloading them. One of the standout features of Convert a PDF is its impressive speed. Files are processed quickly, and the results are available for download almost instantly. The platform supports a wide range of file types, making it suitable for various needs, whether you're dealing with scanned documents or editable text files. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. However, it's not all perfect. While Convert a PDF does a great job at conversion, there are limitations when it comes to advanced editing features. For example, the text editing tool can be a bit clunky at times, and the free version has certain restrictions that might push users toward the premium plan. Additionally, there are occasional formatting issues when converting more complex files, such as documents with intricate tables or graphics. Overall, Convert a PDF is a reliable tool for basic conversions and edits. If you're looking for a straightforward solution to handle everyday PDF tasks, it's worth considering. However, if you require more advanced editing capabilities, you might need to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more reviews, and drop a comment below sharing your own experience with Convert a PDF. Thanks for watching.